The issue came to my attention by reading some research around the particular position that young boys were not being seen within the whole kind of field of child sexual abuse and exploitation. Quite often their behaviour was explained away in terms of, oh, they were too promiscuous or they were exploring their sexuality. So the actual harm to young boys was not seen. So we've aimed our film and the lesson at 10-year-olds, and we've taken a very gentle approach in that we're hoping that children will just learn from watching the film that there are some warning signs they need to be aware of, but more importantly that they are skilled and given the resilience to be able to think, I need to talk to someone. We're very pleased that today the Minister for Education in Welsh Government, Mrs Kirsty Williams, was able to attend, and in fact she's been an active supporter of this area of work and of the SchoolBeat programme. We also have Griff and Hugh, the characters in the film. The young actors have been with us here today as well. The rollout will take place across all of Wales with the school and community police officers working in the primaries as they do.